Video getting recorded? Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
it's very slow, na? This recording also. Okay. So good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So yesterday we were discussing on malaria. Yeah, na? Malaria. Then we have discussed on the clinical features of malaria. It were the three stages were cold stage, hot stage, and sweating stage. Then we have learned about the National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. In that, we have learned that National Malaria Control Program, it began in the year 1953, but because of the success rate, what happened? The name was changed to National Malaria Eradication Program in the year 1958. And the main objective of this program was to eradicate, okay, means to completely destroy or to free from all the disease, okay. The main objective was to eradicate malaria once and for all from the country. So this was the main objective of this national program for malaria. So now, mm, okay. Any one of you can read out the cold stage, hot stage, and sweating stage. Singni Suchiang, if you are present, you read out the three stages. Singni Suchiang. Okay. Siti Deb
Good
Barma.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Siti Deb Barma, were you
Yes, ma'am.
present yesterday? Okay, read out the cold stage, hot stage, and sweating stage.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read out just the cold stage. Just the cold stage you read. Read fast, Siti. What happened? Babli Deb Barma, were you present yesterday? Arif,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Arif, read out the cold stage.
Ma'am, I was not present in last class.
You are absent. Okay, Kostov,
Yes, ma'am.
read out the cold stage.
Cold stage.
Hmm.
The cold stage, the onset is with the lassitude and headache, nausea, chilly sensation followed in an hour so by the rigors. The temperature rises rapidly, 39 to 41 degrees Celsius. Headache is often severe and commonly there is vomiting. In early part of the stage, skin feels cold. Later, it becomes hot. The pulse is rapidly and may become weak. This stage lasts for 1/4 to 1 hour.
Okay, not rapidly. Okay, the pulse is rapid, only rapid, not Li, RAPID.
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
Samson Riang. Samson Riang,
Yes, ma'am.
read out the hot stage.
Ma'am, I was absent.
Okay, even if you all are absent, you should collect the notes the day itself
O-
when I have given.
Okay, ma'am.
Devojit Debarma, Devojit Debarma, Celesti Sangma,
Yes, ma'am.
please read out the hot stage.
Hot stage. The patient feels burning hot and casts off his clothes. The skin is hot and dry to touch. Headache is intense, but nausea commonly diminishes. The pulse is full and respiration is rapid. This stage lasts for 2 to 6 hours.
Okay. Uh, Birgrishri,
Yes, ma'am.
Read out the sweating stage.
Sweating state. Sweating states. Fever comes down with profuse sweating. The temperature drops rapidly to normal and skin is cold and moist. The pulse rate becomes lower. Patients feel relief and often falls asleep. These tests last for 2 to 4 hours.
Okay. Now, Shilunok, were you present yesterday?
Maybe I was
Shilu,
absent.
absent. Please collect the notes. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
Carly. Carly was present, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read out the National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program.
The program began originally as National Malaria Control Program in the year 1953 during the first 5-year plan. Because of this success achieved in the control of malaria, the control program was converted in 1950 to an eradication program with the objective of getting malaria once and for all from the country.
Okay. So now write down milestone of malaria control activities in India. Write down the topic milestone, milestone, milestone of malaria, milestone of malaria control activities in India. Control activities in India. Underline it. So
Milestones of malaria.
milestone of malaria control activities in India. Control, CONTROL, control activities in India. Milestone of malaria control activities in India. Underline it.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So you just make, just draw a line in the middle, make a table and draw a line in the YAR, year. And in the other side, you write down milestone. In the other side, you write down milestone, MILESTONE, milestone. Milestone. Okay, one side will be year, the other side will be milestone, and draw a line in the middle. Number one, the first number one you write prior to 1953. Prior to 1953. Prior to 1953. Shilu, present na? Shilu no? Shilunok is present or not?
Ma'am, can you spell
Unmute
this
yourself.
mean?
Hmm?
Triad means, can you spell means?
Prior, PRIOR, prior. PRIOR, prior to 1953. That means on or before 1953. Prior means on or before 1953. Prior to 1953. Celesti Sangma,
Yes, ma'am.
you collect the attendance for today, okay? I
Okay,
think
ma'am.
both the CR is absent, so you please collect it. Prior to 1953, you write, and then in the milestone, in the other side, you write estimated malaria cases in India. Estimated, ESTIMATED, estimated malaria cases in India. Estimated malaria cases in India. Put a small dash and write 75 million. 75 million. 75 million. Below you write down deaths, DEATHS, deaths due to malaria. Death due to malaria. Put a small dash and write 0.8 million. 0.8 million. 0.8 million. So prior to 1953, the estimated malaria cases were 75 million and death due to malaria was 0.8 million. So these many 75 million people were infected, but out of that 0.8 million died because of malaria. So this happened prior to 1953. Now number 2. Below you write number 2. Second point you write number 2. In the year, below year you write 1953. Number 2, 1953. And in the other side, in milestone, you write down launching of LAUNCHING, launching of National Malaria Control Program. Launching of National Malaria Control Program. In bracket, you write down capital N, capital M, capital C, capital P, and close the bracket. NMCP. The full form of NMCP is National Malaria Control Program. You should also know the short form so that whenever you are asked what is NMCP full form, you should be able to say National Malaria Control Program. So 1953, the National Malaria Control Program was launched. Okay. The number 3, third point you write. Number 3, 1958. Number 3 is 1958. And on the other side, milestone, on the other side you write NMCP. NMCP was changed to NMCP was changed to National Malaria Eradication Program. NMCP was changed to National Malaria Eradication, ERADICATION, National Malaria Eradication Program, PROGRAMME. So in 1958, the National Malaria Control Program was renamed, or it was converted. Okay, it was changed to National Malaria Eradication Program. And the short form will be NMEP. In bracket, you write NMEP. NMEP. Close the bracket. Number 4, you write. Number 4, 1965. Number 4, 1965. 1965. And on the other side you write cases were reduced to cases, CASES, cases were reduced, REDUCED, cases were reduced to 0.1 million. 0.1 million. MILLION. Cases were reduced to 0.1 million. So in the year 1965, you see that the malaria cases were reduced to 0.1 million. Whereas first point you see, prior to 1953, there you have written that deaths due to malaria case was 0.8 million. But in the year 1965, okay, it has reduced to 0.1 million. That means 0.7 million people were saved because of the programs, different programs, okay, different precautions, the hospital setups. So because of the remuneration of all this health setup, the cases were reduced to 0.1 million. Number 5, you write early 1970s. Early 1970. EARLY, early 1970. Early 1970. Write down resurgence of malaria. On the other side, okay, in the right hand side you write resurgence of malaria. RESURGENCE. Resurgence of malaria. Resurgence of malaria means the occurrence of malaria cases. Okay, early 1970s, resurgence of malaria. Number 6, number 6 you write 1976. Number 6, 1976. 1976. Now you write down on the other side malaria cases 6.46 million. 6.46 million. 6.46 million. So again the cases have increased. Okay, after the resurgence of malaria in 1970, okay, in 1976 malaria cases were again increased to 6.46 million. So number 7 point you write 1977. 1977. On the other side you write World Bank assisted. World Bank, BANK, World Bank assisted, 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 enhanced, E should be capital letter, enhanced, ENHANCED, enhanced malaria control project, enhanced malaria control project. In bracket you write EMCP. EMCP in bracket, in capital letters you write down EMCE is the short form. The full form is Enhanced Malaria Control Project. Close the bracket and write launched. LAUNCHED, launched. Launched. So all this in bracket, whatever short forms I'm giving you, you try to know the full form. Okay, like NMCP full form is National Malaria Control Program. NMEP is National Malaria Eradication Program. Then again, now that you have written EMCP, it is Enhanced Malaria Control Project. So you should know the full form as well as the short form. Next, number 8. Number 8, you write 1999. 1999. On the other side, you write renaming of program, renaming of program, RENAMING, renaming of program to National Anti-Malaria Program. Anti-Malaria Program. Renaming of program to National, N should be capital, National Anti-Malaria Program. Anti-Malaria Program. In bracket, you write down NAMP. Close the bracket. So NAMP, full form is National Anti-Malaria Program. Number 9. Write down number 9. 2002. 2002. 2002, you write renaming of renaming RENAMING, renaming of NAMP in capital letters. NAMP, full form is National Anti-Malaria Program. Renaming of NAMP to National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. National Vector, VECTOR, National Vector Borne, BORNE. Don't forget to mention E, not BORN, okay? BORNE, Borne Disease Control Program. National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. So in 1999, it was National Anti-Malaria Program, but again the name was changed in the year 2002, and it was later given as National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. Okay, in bracket you write NVBDC. NVBDCP. NVBDCP in bracket. The full form is National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. Full stop. Number 10. Write down the 10th point. 2005. 2005. On the other side, you write Global Fund Assisted. Global, GLOBAL, Global Fund, 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 Global Fund Assisted, ASSISTED, Global Fund Assisted, Intensified, I should be capital, okay? Intensified, 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 I should be capital, Intensified Malaria Control Project. Intensified Malaria Control Project, PROJECT. Intensified Malaria Control Project. In bracket you write IMCP. IMCP. IMCP in bracket. Was launched. Close the bracket and then you write was launched. LAUNCHED, was launched. So again in 2005, Intensified Malaria Control Project was launched and it was assisted by the Global Fund. Okay, and you should know the full form as well as the short form, IMCP. Next, number 11, write down 2005.
Ma'am, the
2005.
10 2005.
Huh?
মানে ইয়াৰ আগৰটো 2005 এ আছিলে
One more time you write number 11, 2005. In the same year, two things were coming up. Okay, two milestones are there in the same year. 2005, Global Fund Assisted IMCP launch. Aru tolot likha number 11, 2005. You write introduction of RDT in the program. Introduction of RDT in the program. RDT in the program. Huh? Introduction of RDT in the program. RDT full form you write down. Rapid Diagnostic Test. Rapid Diagnostic. Rapid RAPID. Rapid Diagnostic DIAGNOSTIC. Rapid Diagnostic Test TEST test. So in the year 2005, RDT was introduced in the program, okay, in the milestone. So the full form of RDT is Rapid Diagnostic Test. It is mainly done in the hospital. Okay, it is a medical diagnostic test. Okay, that is done for screening of the patient. Okay, through this test, the physician or the technician will be able to detect the malaria case. It is very easy to do and it is quick also. Okay, if you are ever posted in any malaria ward, I guess you might be taught to do this RDT test. So next you write number 12, 2006. 2006. Next, in the other side, you write ACT, capital A, capital C, capital T. ACT was introduced in areas showing chloroquine CHLOROQUINE. CHLOROQUINE, chloroquine resistance, resistance in falciparum malaria. So in the year 2006, you write the full form of ACT, write down the full form of ACT, write down artesunate, ARTESUNATE, artesunate combination therapy. Artesunate combination therapy. Artesunate combination therapy. Okay, so in the year 2006, ACT was introduced. Okay, especially in the areas where the chloroquine is a drug. I already told you before also. We have written in the first classes, I guess, about chloroquine. So this drug where it is resistant to falciparum malaria. Okay, so this ACT, that is full form is artesunate combination therapy. It is a combination therapy. Okay, there here two drugs are used, and it is the first line treatment for malaria patients. Okay, here the test is rapid, and they also help. It also helps to eliminate the Plasmodium parasite from the patient's blood. Okay, so it is a combination therapy. Next, write down number 13, 2008. Only 6 minutes is left, so we'll try to write fast. 2008, you write. In the other side, ACT extended to predominant districts to predominant 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 districts predominant districts covering about 95% covering about 95% of covering about 95% of covering about 95% of Plasmodium falciparum cases. Plasmodium falciparum cases. Yesterday you have written agent factor, then vector. So write down covering about 95% of Plasmodium falciparum cases. So the use of this ACT, okay, combination therapy was found out to be very much useful and effective for the treatment of malaria. That is why in the year 2008, wherever the cases were more in districts that are affected with Plasmodium falciparum cases, there this ACT was extended at higher level. Okay, wherever P. falciparum was there, in those districts, ACT was extended. This treatment was extended because of its efficacy. Okay. Now, number 14, you write 2008. One more time, you write 2008. 2008. On the other side, you write World Bank supported. World Bank, WORLD, World Bank, BANK, World Bank supported National Malaria Control Project. World Bank supported National Malaria Control Project launched. World Bank supported National Malaria Control Project launched. LAUNCHED launched. In bracket you add NMCP. So now in the year 2008, the World Bank also supported the NMCP project. Okay. Next, number 15. Number 15, you write 2009. 2009. 2009, you write introduction of, on the other side, you write introduction of LLIN. LLINS. Capital L, capital L, INS. LLINS. In bracket you write long lasting insecticidal net. Long lasting insecticidal, INSECTICIDAL, insecticidal net, NETS, nets. long-lasting insecticidal nets. Okay, it is this. These are nets, mosquito nets. Okay, for protection from malaria, illness. Okay, it is for your personal protection. Long-lasting insecticidal nets. This is a mosquito net. Next, you write number 16, 2010. 2010, you write on the other side, new drug policy, 2010. 2010, on the other side, you write new drug policy, 2010. New drug policy, 2010. New drug, DRUG, new drug policy, 2010. Okay, so this is the milestones. These are the milestones of malaria control activities in India from 1953 prior to 2010. Study this properly. Okay, so my meeting time is getting over. It's just less than 1 minute. So thank you to all of you, and please collect all the notes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.